When we opened the doors to Howard L. Hawks Hall in 2017, we celebrated the completion of the building. But we also made a promise. We said we weren't just building a building, we were building a world-class college. Together, we launched new programs and majors, expanded experiential learning opportunities, and reimagined business education. Today, students begin exploring business from day one. Through our redesigned undergraduate curriculum, they learn how the many aspects of business connect and put those lessons into practice in their first college competition, the business battle. We created peer-to-peer coaching that helps new students discover and apply their strengths, develop strong resumes and cover letters for internships and job searches, and succeed with free tutoring and course review sessions. Our community is built by students helping students as they develop in-demand skills and tackle real business challenges earlier than ever before. And yes, that means learning through improv exercises, competitions, entrepreneurship, and working with real companies in classes. Because what we've built here has always been bigger than any one person. It was built through collaboration, through the hundreds of alumni, employers, and professionals who show up in classrooms, at networking events, mock interviews, and career fairs, helping students gain confidence and connections. Through more than 130 volunteers serving as business consultants to mentor our students during their first semester in our Introduction to Business course. And through our corporate partners and donors who continue to invest in our ideas and student success as we prepare to celebrate our 10th anniversary in fall 2027. The promise we made rings true. We didn't just build a building. We built a college where learning goes beyond the traditional class lecture and students are supported by an entire Nebraska business community in Hawks Hall and around the globe, who believes in them and their future. Our top-ranked business education, award-winning hands-on learning, and the collective support of our faculty, staff, alumni, and partners create opportunities that help Huskers stand out and get hired. Together, we build business leaders like only Nebraska can.